Hello mechanical engineers and technical persons. Welcome our video. Today's topic is bearings, transforming energy, enabling motion. Introduction. Bearings, mechanical marvels that bridge electrical and mechanical energy, reducing friction and enabling precise motion across countless applications. Historical evolution. 2000 BCE, ancient Egyptian wooden wheel bearings. 15th century, Leonardo da Vinci's early ball bearing designs. 1794, first ball bearing patent by Philip Vaughan. Industrial Revolution, precision manufacturing emerges. Types of bearings. 1. Ball bearings. Spherical rolling elements. Low friction, high-speed applications. Precision machinery, electric motors. 2. Roller bearings. Cylindrical rollers. Higher load capacity. Heavy industrial equipment. 3. Thrust bearings. Axial load handling. Marine propulsion, gearboxes. 4. Needle bearings. Compact, thin rollers. Automotive transmissions. Material composition. Metallic components breakdown. 1. Steel, 87%. 2. Chrome steel, 80%. 3. Stainless steel, 7%. 4. Ceramic, 3%. 5. Specialized alloys, 10%. Load calculation formula. Dynamic load rating. We know L10 equals C/PP. Variables. L10 equals basic rating life, million revolutions. C equals dynamic load rating. P equals equivalent dynamic load. P equals power factor, 3 for ball, 10/3 for roller. Installation procedure. 1. Surface preparation. 2. Precise alignment. 3. Lubrication application. 4. Mounting with specialized tools. 5. Environmental condition verification, lubrication strategies. Methods. 1. Oil bath lubrication. 2. Grease-based systems. 3. Synthetic lubricant technologies. Maintenance checklist. 1. Temperature monitoring. 2. Vibration analysis. 3. Regular cleaning. 4. Periodic lubrication replacement. Environmental considerations. Performance parameters. 1. Operating temperature, -40 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. 2. Humidity control. 3. Particle contamination prevention. 4. Corrosion resistance. Energy conservation techniques. 1. Sealed bearing designs. 2. Advanced shielding. 3. Corrosion-resistant coatings. 4. Controlled operating environments. 5. Predictive maintenance programs. Metaphorical essence. Bearings, the silent conductors of mechanical symphonies, transforming electrical whispers into powerful, precision-engineered movements. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends, it really helps us grow. Keep me in your prayers. See you in the next one. Coming soon.